yeah. It's a neighborhood la. There's a monkey. A romantic date. Yeah, this way. And the parking space here, yakbutu. Welcome to Tso Channel. You wanna say Tso Channel or the first?
Welcome to Tso Channel.
And
It's
make
my
sure
channel
to make sure to
subscribe,
like and subscribe.
and hit that smash button.
Oh my God! Thank you so much. 이제 군술로 디켈렌 당당히 가래 nuts do우다 인데요.
Actually, I found a nut.
아,
I found a nut in
oh, sorry, buddy. 킬레 말 다른 가르꾸지. Oh, delhi 다다. Sure. Go come this way. 군술 coloring 인지라 아. Coloring 인지 못. Wow, 상마추불 지에 고스라. And the bridge 지지더라. And then in there. Wow, very nice. Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, yeah.
I see a feather.
Yeah?
I see a feather.
I see it too, yeah. And they're like 육추도 지지더라. It's very peaceful. Hi. Oh my gosh, Kaki, look, I see a big turtle.
Where? What?
Moshesh big turtle lara. The big turtle, Kaki. This tambaro dura. A good turtle ngim dola park and bag again. Nice.
I want to sit on it.
Okay. Nang ni damla rishara. About 10 minutes drive. Very close. Bridge mang chedu. Indi chasa. And then yan dero chinjishtu. Ninjala. Yukchudo ya. And very quiet chair. Yeah, peaceful.
My wrist.
Hmm?
That hurt my wrist.
Free tipatkin kado gagi. Nice bag. Wow, nice. Neighborhood di kurang sangma pe dir siya. Yakpo dura side la. Oh, da. Kara. This windy do dura. This chit chat do chingi tosra and this chintaring. The la garden do le this chick mind din sangma refresh lag raha tha. Refresh do chi this chick clear do chi right. And this do chi che. Nganzo most of the time like this ma dewo is most of the time though. Nganzo gi color landa. Gaje gupchu gonga lag raha tha. Most of the time this ma dewo tha. Yeah. Tunggu dah. Sangma tunggu dah. Karing bes chingi dah. Ma deura den kisha. So most of the time lai ra. Ngarang zo gi migi life la min de. Self-care, self-love, self-improvement nan yortara. Su gi rang gang la lega chie yarki tangay jura. Di tangshu di keche shu ro chagudura di. Di nganzo ngone china chi urta ra. Su gi samlo tang yarki khandes tango yume every single day ra. Takpara chi jangi doni. chik che ani self care and self love ra onde du sangma kechi shi do chagdura but the average lagra ngazugi mi mang che chik min de ta ngazugi khara di gi chabla di sha ne min de mi shemba gi life la nagu chu chira mi shemba gi life la personally yakung mo shingo mare ra mi shemba gi life story do de da khare ku chingo ma shing nei they will judge assume chi ra and you're lucky kisi phajo mi di kram now dugi na ra kisi now dugi me ora jinga china or kisi ha kor ku me na then the judge che the assume che the this khadi easy sa shiro shagra and chiro mi shemba gi life la na gu chu ani di gangla judge do chi assume do chi ani keja ngune khazui me de goma chu but di gangla khare keja gangla keja at chi ro indirang chini do de gorta ro but the chinta tharing dos chini just samlu tangaya da samlu she gi right di yore ro changmal just the ding rangi samchu re badi nyem do la di facts to shagdu ani yeah so main khalai la nang ju gi indi chishu paru la mi shemba gi that life nang lai ne de nagu chu chishu paru la you're wasting your own time first of all and then you're wasting your own energy and effort ra so chishu sum the time energy and effort di krang gi waste chigor ra so dinzo sum di mi shemba gi life la ma chi ve nge ne thangmung la su gi life nang lo la improve che mang pu yo ra ta mang the yor di zoe yo mar it never ends ra anzu gi khala the self learning self care self love and self improving ra onde du sangma it never ends life nang lenda ra so digi gangla time energy effort do chik tang na ra ani you will learn a lot about yourself mi shemba ki kordo la chido che da chik khalagre just che da zum chigo mare it's a waste of time ra instead of that you do that on yourself mara on the point kitchen bush thongs ra tharing ani shemba khare ta daring de la gardening judge dura just korach ki explore chiga doi ra gangza ni pe peaceful you calm dura and then the chisarwa then crowns only this kare this chini area do the capture chini de bulu you ni I hope you guys enjoy but del den ta tanda kama khashi shanga ki je shen de khali di chi khara di vlog di dagarang do chi ra kama khashi chike show first so the point chik langi trusra ani point shemba dikhara and then recently I remember ngajo khara mi chikni jim dul dikeja the topic di gang like keja do shles tangazo ya ma keshera when we talk about pain right when we talk about pain most of the time ngajo pain lagachina we either try to avoid it or kind of distract chela ra we find a way to distract chela tangazo langa do say ra pain lana you don't want to face it right so pain gangla explore ma chiwe ngene first of all digi ngene khari lai lana ngazo life nanglo la mangbu jangyo jira this susu ga ji life experience cha ra chik ani ngewa de la thongyo yorwa changma thongyo chen dine you pick and choose ra ani kashi ngazo khare ta susu gi tap logi nei ra you learn from somebody else's story somebody else's journey ra and then the first thing what you do is you have to reflect on things so let's say okay going back to pain Like you see, life nang lo la, it's you face a lot of painful journey. Yure any challenges li re ra. Dileshu barula. First of all, kyu khari churla na, you have to feel the pain. I know it's weird, right? Feel the pain lagachina. Most people khari try chigre, avoid it, or you would want to distract chela. You find different ways, ra. Tichigra. But what I say is that kurang pain chida. You have to feel it, ra. Really feel the pain, understand, ra. And the next reflect, like ra. Reflect chi di gang la pain gang la ra. And then you learn. Khari dine learn che do dine ra. Painful journey in a re, painful events in a re ra. Dine khari jangai do kyo khani le do dine ra. So that way you don't do it again, ra. Di chik che. Ta dingi wa chasa dingi ni point chik share chisa. Di point dingi wa do chas ra. So don't forget, challenges, pain, lead zambala. First thing, feel the pain. Niwa dela, reflect on it, ra. And then lesson the learn chi, ra. Shimba mugwe denzo, get rid of it, or yukshash, ra. Lesson the learn chi. But feeling the pain, it's a beautiful thing. I mean, the pain feel chi, it's how emotion yorata, ra. Emotion yara. Only emotion jda pain the feel chela. It's a beautiful feeling. Ra. Hurt so hurt do chasigre, but that's okay. Ra. That's part of human's journey. Mara, that's how we should be taking it. Tadi point niwa do chera. Tanga kare thoughts in zohanda. You wanna say hi?
Hi.
Dashtale.
Dashi dele.
Ani mommy gaji channel min kare. Tso Channel.
Tso Channel.
Make sure to
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. Tangi mangbo shoot dura. And then subscribe chinging yung adwa. So we have to practice compassion, right?
Compassion.
Kindness and compassion is our
Loving and caring.
religion, right?
Yeah.
Mara.
Look.
Ondire. Ta. Point ni mashishe mera. It feels like I talked a lot.
Yes, you did actually. You talked for 1 hour.
Oh my goodness, really?
Yeah.
I don't think so. It's been only 10 minutes.
It
But yeah,
actually did in
I
1
felt
hour.
like I talked a lot. Points ni mashkishe me. But hopefully.
Oh,
So
mommy.
okay. Ah! So okay.
Mommy, so
Kamu
this
juga
is the
lagi?
minutes and this is the hours.
Okay.
Hours.
Ba? So nga di wrap siya gira. Then I'm gonna spend some time with
Your daughter.
Takila. And
I'm
then
your
we're
daughter.
gonna go home.
She
right?
gave birth to me.
As the mother, you have responsibilities, ra. I have to cook dinner, ra. And then I have other things
It's
to
my channel.
do. I have other things to do. Okay?
See her.
Ani one the chini tanga tharing dus chin rap chi shagira. But if you guys crown to see in the conversation do kareta enjoy chigi yoga china, make sure to write in the comment section down below, ra. Ani sangma, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. Ani, I hope to see you guys very soon. I love you all. Be positive. Okay. So speaking of positive, your brain doesn't know what's true or what's not. Ra. So Anzuki, ra, your brain doesn't know. Sugar curry me, salt curry me, ra. So teaching karla always positive self-talk like rata. Positive. Samlo positive tang kani jadi positive everything. Ra. Yakpu mena even there. Try to make that, turn that into something positive. Ra. The kechum puresha. Ra. So chikhaligre su ga ni thangbingel go chu gura da shoge lang ne chini su gang la self talk le ra da su gi samno tang su gang la du chu shu parula changma minde even if it's negative, right? Turn that into positive. And also nganzu gi life experiences something like challenges painful chadi sambala nga khatu nei minde the negative way like che tag me or I try not to use the word negative. Instead of that,
What's negative mean?
she doesn't even know. See? Instead of that, ngi kharichi use chigi lagwa experience. Lagra ta zugi experience chura changma mendi. Mara. So ngazen lagra kisi yakpo jik chag mara. Ta the experience do jigi samni lesson learn share jua. Indi do. That's why the word negative I try not to use. Right? So ngi khala wala na main the positive self-talk.
Actually, she never
Positive.
used the word negative.
Thank you. Right?
Yeah. I'm the smartest one in my classroom and the tallest.
That's good. Always think positive
Think
and
positive
then
and
say
positive words and do positive.
positive. Thank you. See?
Thank you.
Okay, so ngadi rap chishagi this chick dark chadugudu.
What's rap?
Ani I'm
is
gonna wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
Wrap it up. Excuse me.
Wrap it up. Wrap it
Mena
up.
line the haina lerish.
My mom went too far, guys.
Right?
Yeah.
So ngadi rap chishagi ra.
My I have something to say. There's the word nothing.
Mag gloves kile ni card nang siya sir. But yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
No.
Yung mo lang pa my gosh. Okay. So nga tanda tis siguring bu cha du dra kong ke mewa che. Ani kisi the point ene do da ngi gi khalagir da. Sam chu do ta re ro ba di ngem do la facts bi cha gor da lo di. Ani crown so feel free to add anything if there is anything to add down in the comment section or kare crown side ni ta khalagre crown la ya ni changmal su samchu yoro crown gi samchu ya share chingi thoga chino comment nang chiro chi ra ani khalagre da ani khalagre crown la ya samchu ngale yaga don di yoga china please do share in the comment section ra I would love to read your thoughts.
Mommy, tell
Mara,
me when to
thank
stop
you.
it.
Okay, kamachiga. Maybe one more minute. Okay. Tanga
It's
di
only
rap
been
chi
one
shegi
more
lasa.
minute.
Kamachiga. Tigrang rira kirang zul samchu yan dili yaka samu tang do chi yoga china ya please do share in the comment section now. Ani sangmala thank you so much for watching. Ani like the subscribe chiro nang ra. Ani kisi indicate shegi do kisi enjoy chi na ani comment nang lada so I know next time nigi kare point do yoga china anywhere from 3 to 5 points to ya keja digang la elaborate che try
I have
chura
something to say.
ani thank you so much and she has something to say and then changmala good night lan dikshida
I love sticks because my dad said I was born in a farm. But I was actually born in the hospital. But before I was born, mommy and daddy lived in the farm, daddy said. It's coming out of my boog.
okay
It been
now bye look
bye.